Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent all 4 of these amazing watering systems. They've all got their own really neat, unique features. So I'm just gonna kind of go through and plug them in and let you hear just how quiet and silent they are and just instant turn on. Now this one, as you go, it actually has a little light and a screen so you can see how much water you have left. You have extra filters to actually keep all of that nice and clean. Little spigot, and it just runs right in through a USB. Cannot hear that at all. So that is amazing. We'll go on to this next one here. This actually came with a USB plug. So whenever we get this guy plugged in, again, kicks right on. Now this is a full stainless steel, which all of these are stainless steel besides this one, which is next. But stainless steel, it does not have a little viewing thing on there, but I mean, whisper quiet. So you had this going in your room. The only thing you're gonna hear is your pet licking. Again, you get extra little filter things. That is really nice. I do like how it has kind of like a little splash pad back behind here, so that way it's nice and, kind of covered up. Then we have this next one, which is a very interesting idea. It is all glass. So that is really beautiful because no matter where you are, you can see how much water your pet has. You don't have to go to a certain area to see it. You can be from across the room and know that your pet has enough water. So that is really nice. They all have a nice gooseneck thing on here. And this comes with nice little cleaning things and extra filters. So that is really nice as well. Again, I've got 3 of these now running and you can't hear anything. Then you've got this last guy, which is absolutely stunning. I love the design of this one. It is just so elegant that you can actually put it, anywhere, and it just fits in beautifully. It's a nice copper head right here at the top, goes all the way a little gooseneck area, and you have the lighted area in front again that will show you how much water you have left. And they each have their own way. I'm gonna turn them all off here real quick. On the underneath side, they each have their own little filtration system to be able to use and a minimum and maximum line to show the water usage that you can have on there. And on the backs of them, the cord system actually goes right through here, so that way it will lay in there flush. But you can see they each have a nice filtration with all these extra little pads that you can use to make sure your pet always has fresh water that will go on. You will know how much you have and ready to go, fresh and filtered for your furry friends.